What is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's Buddy Technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this package you can see here. It's a speaker package for PC or laptop. This is from, you can say, the brand Onlite. It's a local brand, a new brand, but a very good one. And you can see the model number is CS140 and it's computer wooden speakers. Well, the good thing is about this, all this size of speakers, all they come, they are what they say, all are plastic enclosures speakers, and those things don't sound that good, but this one is made out of wood, so I hope these are gonna give me a very good sound. And you can see the Megabass pure sound. So this is the box, and this is the all round box, and here you can see made by PRC, People's Republic of China, so it's a Chinese brand. And this thing cost me around 400 from a local electronics store. So today I bought this, and let's open this. The seal is already open because at the shop I opened it to check what's inside the box, it's all okay or not. So that's why the seal is open. So let's see. Well, this is inside. There's two boxes there covered with this foam type material, and this is the cord. This is a USB for the power, and this is a 3.5 mm jack for connecting the audio, and the volume control is here, you can see. And I guess the main kit is here, amplifier kit, digital amplifier kit. I guess I didn't know that, so let's get this thing out of the box. Well, they're made out of wood, very thin wood, and they're not so heavyweight, they're pretty lightweight. So what else do we get? We get user manual, and technical specification is here. RMS 5 watt and 2, PMPO 300 watt, that is all fake. Speaker driver unit 2.75 inch, 4 ohms, 5 watt into 2. Signal to noise ratio more than 75 dB. Frequency response 100 Hz to 20 kHz. THD less than 1%. 1 watt, 1 kHz. Well, that's the technical specs. So let's open this thing. This thing looks very nice. You can see the front side is covered with the plastic, and the model number is here, CS140, and you can see the finish. It's very nice. And at the bottom you can see the anti-slipping pads, and at the back this is the what to say, ear passing port here. It's a bus reflex enclosure, and this is the cord here. So this is the one unit. And the front, this thing, the black, you can see that's made out of plastic, but this thing is pure wood. So now, alright, this is another one. You can see same, and also there is a tweeter here. I don't know if it's a fake or real. Same at the back. So now it's time to check this out. So I'm going to connect this to a mobile charger, and then this one to a mobile, and let's see how it sounds. Alright, so I have connected this, as you can see, and now let's play some songs. Well, I don't know how much this camera can pick up the bass, but for this tiny little speakers, they are producing very good amount of bass that I didn't expect from this. Well, yeah, that's the truth. So it's like I'm happy to hear the sound. It's clear, crispy, and it has bass. That's the nice thing about this. So, and now let's take their measurement. So, at the top side, you can see this is like 3.5 inches, and on this side, it's a little more than that, close to 4 inch, not exactly 4 inch, and the height is here approx 8 inch, as you can see. So they are very tiny. So that's it, guys. What can I tell you? I'm happy about this thing, and the sound is really, what to say, for this price it's amazing, and I love the bass they are giving these tiny speakers. So that's it. That's all for today. Well, later I'm gonna do more videos on this sound test of this thing and more detail of this thing, and I'm gonna compare with the other small speakers. So that's it. Stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.